but man, does it produce the power. And there's torque everywhere. Second gear. Woo! So I'm in the G35 Sedan, and this is Ramona, California, and I'll be driving Old Julian Highway. It's one of my favorite roads that's only 30 miles away from me, so it's local and it's a lot of fun. And I have VDC off, 91 octane in the tank, and we'll be using manual mode. And this road is a lot of fun, so I am excited for this. This is going to be great. Turnoff is in a couple of signals. This is Main Street of Ramona. It's that old-timey country feel to it. Very charming. Go. Old Julian Highway. Down into 3rd. So there's a residential neighborhood here, and then once you get past the residential neighborhood, then it turns into this amazing country road and just a few miles, so bear with me. Stuck behind this Corolla here. Thank you, Jesus. Down to 3rd, 4th. When you're shifting the manual-matic transmission up and down through the gears, you have to be deliberate and give it, like, one pretty good forceful throw. If you do it quickly, too fast or too light, I'm finding that the car doesn't want to register the throw, which is really annoying when you're in a 3rd gear corner and you want to downshift to a 2nd gear corner and you click back on the minus button and it doesn't shift into 2nd. So just something I'm noting today. There's 4th, there's 3rd. 3,500 RPM, 4,000 RPM, down into 2nd. Oh yeah. Chassis feels good. Nice. Set of corners. Alright, Old Julian Highway is on the left. Down to second. Down into first. Whoa. You could really feel that kick down into first. Maybe I did it a little too soon. Alright, here we go. Ease on the throttle. It's so touchy. 6,000 RPM, that shit felt great. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, car comes alive at 6,000. Second gear. Alright, well that was a fun little squirt. I knew I would probably hit traffic at some point. I just didn't realize it was going to be 5 minutes into the drive. Bloody hell. So I'm in 5th in manual mode right now at like a little more than 1,000 RPM. Trying to sip that gas, baby. Sip that gas. Which is hard to do with this car because it's very thirsty, even on the highway. Yes, thank you. Finally, someone that's polite. Alright, third gear, 4,000 RPM. Yeah, feels good. Second, third. Alright, these are third gear corners. I may just leave it in third actually. Oh yeah. Woo! That felt good. Weights up and speed very, very nicely. Not bad. Downshift into fourth, to third. This car inspires confidence very, very well, especially for, you know, a car that, you know, I don't drive every day, hardly ever. So just to jump into it and feel this confident after driving it, you know, I drove it 2 days ago, and now getting back in, I feel really confident, and yeah. I love this car. The steering is amazing. The power for 265 horse is phenomenal. It feels like it's got over 300 horse. The electronic throttle is very, very touchy, but you have to learn it. But man, does it produce the power. And there's torque everywhere. Second gear. Woo! Gear, 6,000 RPM. Yeah. And this Honda Fit's actually going pretty fast. I'm surprised. It's good. Down to second. Clip the apex. baby. Down in a second. Yeah, I can see why everybody loves these cars. Damn, they are, guys. This fit's going for it. Oh yeah. Third gear, baby. It's about right. Keeps it on boil. On boil. Holy shit, that is amazing. Wow. Chassis is so good. Grips so well. Yep. It's a four-door sports car. There's no doubt about it. Very, very impressed. Woo! Doggy. Oh, that was fun. Really fun. Oh, man. The want is real. The want is real. Damn. I can't believe it handled that well. I mean, you saw it. I was just dancing through the corners like nobody's business. Oh, beautiful. Thank you for watching my point of view drive, the 2003 Infiniti G35 Sedan up Old Julian Highway in Ramona, California. If you enjoyed this video, you may also like to watch some of my other Infiniti G35 videos. Have a great day!